Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of video editing software, an essential tool in our digital age. With video content booming, effective editing has never mattered more. So, what is video editing software? Simply put, it's a program that transforms raw footage into polished stories that captivate audiences. Let's take a quick journey through its history. It all started with analog methods, where tape reigned supreme, and editing was a manual process. The late 20th century saw a shift to digital editing, revolutionizing how we create videos and making it more accessible for everyone. Now, there's a wealth of software options out there. You have professional tools for seasoned filmmakers, alongside simpler versions for casual users, not to mention mobile apps for editing on the go. Some popular names include Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. Each has unique features tailored to different editing styles. For instance, Premiere Pro is known for its versatility, while Final Cut Pro is beloved by Mac users for its user-friendliness. If you're looking for software, keep an eye on timeline editing for precision, the variety of visual effects, seamless transitions, audio editing capabilities, and a user-friendly interface, especially if you're just starting out. The benefits of video editing software are immense. Not only does it enhance content quality, but it also unlocks your creativity, transforming clips into engaging narratives. Of course, challenges exist, like software complexity and hardware demands. A great tip is to start with simpler tools and leverage online tutorials to ease your learning curve. It's a rewarding journey. Looking ahead, we're excited about trends like AI integration and cloud-based editing, which promise to streamline the process and encourage even more creativity. In summary, video editing software is crucial for content creation today. It helps elevate storytelling and engage viewers in unique ways. We encourage you to explore these tools and unleash your creativity. As we wrap up, we'd love to hear about your experiences with video editing software. Have you found any tools particularly useful or frustrating? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on video production. Happy editing, everyone!